to be it. Last whiskey of the night. I have here a Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Rye Whiskey. And it says here, Knob Creek Small Batch Kentucky Straight Rye Whiskey, crafted for superior taste and smoothness in Claremont, Kentucky. And there was something else to read on here. Oh, Knob Creek, Claremont, Kentucky Distilling Company. And is there anything on the back? There is something. It's the government warning. Okay, we know all about that. Whiskey's gonna rot your guts out and kill you. That's it. This is bottled at 50% ABV, 100 proof, and it cost me $60.49 Canadian, which would work out to, what's 6 times? $9. Okay, about $70 Canadian out the door. That's close enough. I'm not gonna mess with this thing. I'll tell you approximately. Good enough. Now we got a big pull tab. Oh, a nice big pull tab. Beautiful. I like this. I like this big pull tab. You can't miss it. You don't have to dig with your fingernails. You just grab it and pull. Oh, okay. And off it comes. I like this. I like this method of entry. And now we've got, well, what is this? Now we've got the cork. Okay. Here we go. Oh, come on. More plastic corks. Plastic. Okay. Claremont, Kentucky, straight rye whiskey. It does not say anything about the mash bill. It just says it's 100 proof. And it says IWSC Gold 2014. Outstanding, it says. Whiskey Best Rye. Oh. Well, it won an award 10 years ago. So I don't know how much of this is rye, but it's got to be 51% or more. Rye whiskey. Why is there something sticking to my glass? I don't know. Okay, let's give it the old glass around the whiskey with the anaconda and sheeting action and medium-sized drops. You can see those there. Yeah. Whiskey up the nose, it burns. Oh, it burns. Oh my goodness, how did I do that? Careless, just careless. Whiskey up the nose. I tried to get a nosing note. But it wasn't giving me much, and so I tried harder. I put whiskey up my nose. What am I getting? This is bottled at 50% alcohol by volume. That is 100 proof for you people below the 49th parallel. Surprisingly not getting much on the nose, except That burns the inside of the nostril, let me tell you. It smells rather neutral. On the nose, it's rather neutral. What will I get on the palate? Because it's rather neutral on the nose. Maybe it needs time to open up. Maybe it needs a little bit of water. I'm going to try it neat first. Okay. I'm getting some rye spice and a minty note. A little bit of brown sugar. A little bit of caramel. A little bit of vanilla. But mostly a minty note on the palate. Not much on the nose, interestingly enough. Oh, I am sloppy today. Oh gosh. I'm dropping things and sticking stuff up my nose. And this is the last whiskey of the night. Or at least the last whiskey that I will record tasting it. I may have some more whiskey later, but the camera will be shut off. Yeah, surprisingly on the nose, I'm not getting much. And Knob Creek, as I recall, is a Jim Beam product. Yeah, it's really good. Spicy. Spicy. Spicy and a little bit minty. A little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of caramel. Spicy and minty. Surprisingly, not much on the nose. Maybe my nose has just been overloaded. Okay. I'm getting a hint of dill now on the nose. But just a hint. There it is again, spicy and minty. With a little bit of corn sweetness. A little bit of brown sugar. A little bit. Just a hint of caramel and not quite a bit of caramel, but just a hint of vanilla. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do the trick. And I will drink to your very good health.
Food Queen. Food quick.
Food quick.
Food quick.
Food quick.
Yeah.